What is your first reaction when someone says beetroot? Isn't it? But with the recipe that I'm going to show you today, it will surely make you fall in love with them. Guys, welcome to Renuka's Mindful Fitness. I'm Renuka. I hope you guys are doing well. And now let's quickly move on with the recipe. So these are the ingredients that we'll require for a recipe today. Let's start. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized beetroot. I have grated them. I have not boiled them or anything. Now, as we all know, the health benefits of beetroot, they are packed with essential nutrients like fiber, potassium, manganese, folate as in a folic acid, vitamin C, and iron. It also lowers the blood pressure by improving your blood flow in the body, and it has also been proven to improve the exercise performance. So beetroot is very important. Try to incorporate it through your salads or through the recipe that I'm going to show you today. Here we have our oats, as in I told you in my last video how important oats are for your weight loss journey. Here I have roasted the oats well. Don't forget to roast them because oats have phytic acid which may give you a stomach ache later on. That is because we are not used to gluten-free food in our daily life. So don't forget to roast your oats. Here we have salt as per taste, some turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, chaat masala, red chili powder, dhana jeera powder, chopped onions, and sweet potatoes. I have taken here sweet potatoes. You can make use of the normal potatoes as well, but since you are making the healthy version, I am using sweet potatoes. Here I have heated around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once it's nice and hot, we'll add our onions. Saute them till they turn nice pink and translucent. In goes our haldi powder and a ginger garlic paste. Give it a nice mix. You can add green chilies as well, but since I'm making it for my kid, I'm not gonna add any green chilies to this, but you can do so. Now just let the raw smell of the ginger garlic go away, then we can add a grated beetroot. Now add the beetroot. Give it a mix. Add our sweet potatoes, chili powder, chaat masala powder. You can adjust the spices according to your taste, no worries about that. And your dhana jeera powder. Salt to taste. Mash it nicely with the help of a masher which you use for a pav bhaji or mashing the potatoes. Mash it well so that all the spices are mixed well. The potatoes are mixed well with the beetroot. Okay, here I have mashed it well with my masher, and now I have added around half tablespoon of corn flour. If you don't want to use corn flour, of course for the health reasons, you can use arrowroot powder over here. Mix it well. Once it's done, Cover and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. You don't have to cook it for a very long time. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and then remove it on a plate and cool it. Once it cools down a bit, add in our rolled oats and mix it well. Once the mixture cools down, make small tikkis out of it. See, this is how you'll make the tikki. Okay, and now we will shallow fry it. Now since we are making a healthy version, we are just going to shallow fry it. But in case if you want to make it, you know, for your in future for your parties or your kitty parties or whatever, what you can do is just make a slurry of cornstarch, corn flour as in. Just take 2 tablespoons of corn flour, add some water to it, make a slurry, dip these tikkis into it. Okay, cover it with some either fine rava or breadcrumbs, and then you can shallow fry it. That also tastes amazing, but since I'm showing you the healthy version today, so we are not going to make use of any additional oil. So this is how you're going to make your tikkis, and after this we will shallow fry them. Here I have coated the tikkis with some fine suji. I didn't make use of any corn slurry or anything. I have just coated them with the fine suji. We are going to shallow fry them with very less oil. Also, you can make this ahead of time and keep it in the fridge and fry them whenever you want to. Here our pan is nice and hot. I have put around 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil, as you can see, and now we'll put our tikkis one by one. Keep your flame on medium or slow, I would suggest, because since we have coated these with rava, and rava gets cooked very fast, we don't want to burn our tikkis, so be careful with that. Have patience. Keep your gas on low, medium or on low, I would suggest. Okay, and here. Now roast them well on one side and then we'll flip it. So as you can see, our tikkis are almost done on both the sides. It took around 2 to 3 minutes. 2 minutes on one side and 1 minute on the other side. Wow, see, one of it has even a heart shape on it. I'm going to give that to my kid. So now let's plate them. Healthy beetroot and oats tikki is ready. See how lovely they look. They don't only look lovely, but they taste yum as well. So next time when someone says have beetroot as your mid-meal snack, give that huge smile and give this dish a try. I'm sure you're going to love this recipe, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be back again with some more healthy recipes for you all. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye-bye.